Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. This is Taylor. So today I just wanted to do like a quick little video. I got something today and I am super excited about it, and so I wanted to do a quick little unboxing video. Now, I'm not trying to become an unboxing channel or anything else like that. I'm just excited for it, and so I wanted to film myself unboxing it, so take it how you will. Though I will probably be reviewing it, you know, in a couple of weeks or whatever after I've actually like been able to use it. But yeah, super excited about it, so let's see what it is. So I got a new camera. Yes. So I got this Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. I wanted to get like a more, you know, sort of official blogging camera and everything. Right now I kind of use my iPhone 10, and I also use, like, I have a DSLR Nikon camera, but that's kind of like big and heavy and I don't always want to like carry it around everywhere. So I got like this point and shoot camera, and it has like one of those screens that can flip up. So I'm like super excited about it. So let's do it. So let's see. So I do like the box. And I tested like one of them at like the store, so yeah, I think that I'm really gonna like it. So we've got warranty and an online photo album, okay, and then the manual that I'm probably never going to look at ever. Then, okay, so ooh, look at that. That's really pretty. And this is like my favorite part. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes. Oh my God, I love that. Like that's it right there. That is just freaking beautiful. And then it also kind of like comes out like that. So you can, like, it kind of comes all the way out to there, so you can kind of like angle it, I guess, a little bit. That's pretty neat. That's super awesome. I love it. And then let's see, we just have the charger and the battery. Battery's a lot tinier than my DSLR battery, that's for sure. And we have this little strap. So yeah, this is like super cute. The video is gonna look so much better on this. It has to. Well, I haven't charged the battery at all, and I'm sure you're probably supposed to, but let's just see if it'll turn on, just to like turn it on and get that initial like power boot up sound. Oh, there it goes. Oh, yes. Okay, I've got to like set it up and everything, so I'm gonna do that later, but like, look at that. Like, that is gonna be so cool, because then I can like film myself. Like, oh God, I'm so excited and in love with this. This is just amazing. And on top of that, the video on this is gonna be so much better than my iPhone video. Like, it's gonna be amazing. In fact, you know what? I say we have a little preview of what the video is going to look like by switching cameras. What do you guys think? You wanna do that? Yeah, so say goodbye to iPhone footage and all of this, and say hello to the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. In 3, 2, 1. And oh my God, look how amazing that looks compared to like when I was using my phone. Looks so much better, and it's going to be hopefully a lot easier for me to like actually talk to you all versus like looking at the screen, because I know in like a lot of my videos I was looking to the right, and that's because I was recording it on my phone, so like I could see myself in the screen, and it was a lot easier than looking at the lens, because, you know, lenses on phones are like this big, so yeah, it's like very teeny tiny. But this lens is a lot bigger, so it's a lot easier for me to look at. Though I do have a viewfinder above it, like I got like a vlogging camera, obviously, so I can still kind of see myself in there, but I'll be trying to, you know, like look here better. Anyway, I think that this looks so much better. Like I can see myself in it, and like I can see how much clearer everything is, and it looks just amazing. So I'm super excited to use this camera now from now on, and to stop using my iPhone, so that way I can go back to being a phone and no one can call me and text me like no one does, so it could just be used for nothing. But an iPhone 10 is a very good paperweight, so hey. Anyway, just wanted to give you guys this quick little unboxing. Like I said before, I will definitely review the camera. It's the Canon G7X. I will definitely review it here in a couple of weeks after I get a chance to use it, and, you know, make sure that I can give you guys like a proper review of it. But everything that I've used kind of so far with it, I love. Anyways, thanks. If you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And I will see you guys around the world. Bye.